What if the universe had a rule that said perfect knowledge was impossible, because the universe is built in a way that won't allow it? In the 1920s, a physicist discovered this strange rule while studying the quantum world. At the smallest scales, observing a particle changes it. This discovery became a concept that didn't just reshape physics, but revealed a deeper truth. Sometimes accepting what we cannot know is the key to understanding the universe. This touches on the idea that the universe is not just complex, but perhaps fundamentally inaccessible to the human mind in its entirety. To understand how big of a deal this was, you have to know what physicists thought. They thought the universe was like a perfect machine, where everything followed clear, predictable rules. Before quantum physics, physicists believed that if you knew two pieces of information about an object, for example, its position and its velocity, then the laws of physics would let you calculate everything else about its motion. Using those two pieces of information, you could theoretically calculate where it was in the past and predict exactly where it will be in the future. Everything was certain, but there was a big problem with the atom. The old rules didn't work for it. The old rules of classical physics said that the electrons in an atom should be constantly losing energy and should crash right into the nucleus. If the old science was right, atoms and therefore the world couldn't exist. That's when a 23-year-old theoretical physicist from Germany named Werner Heisenberg took a radical step. By the summer of 1925, Heisenberg was frustrated with what physicists now call the old quantum theory. The old theory was a mess, and every attempt to picture what electrons were really doing only made things worse. He realized that trying to track the exact path of an electron, a path no one could ever observe, was leading physics in circles.